Hey guys, welcome back. Just gonna do a little walk around the race coupe and give you guys an update, show you where it's at. So let's go have a look. Okay, let's do a walk around. Still some exterior body pieces and some moldings to put back on, but I'll address those areas shortly. Start at the back of the car and kind of work my way forward. So parachute is set up, ready to go. Ended up placing the kill switch with a little data log switch right there inside the trunk. Pretty simple setup. Just a fuel cell and a battery box inside. I had considered cutting it down, but I still want to drive it on the street, so I left it as is for now. As far as the rear end is set up, suspension just need a few little adjustments. All the wiring in the car is done. I ended up placing the catch cans in the corner here. Snuck the line lock in the shock tower area, and the fuel lines are coming in on a bulkhead. The brakes are all connected, ready to go. They just need to be bled. And all the turbo piping, that's all done. Okay, engine bay is empty unfortunately, but that's okay. I guess everything happens for a reason. And it was time for a change, so I'm happy to say that PSP will be rebuilding the motor. So a huge shout out to Paul Silva for taking on my motor rebuild. Thanks, Paul. I'll see you shortly. Moving on back to this side of the car, same thing. Catch can, everything's set up there. Some missing molding pieces. Interior, still quite a bit to go to put back together. Yesterday I just got the carpet in with the help of my buddy Dave. It was a big headache, to be honest. You know, cutting around all the roll bars and dealing with the through floor subframe connectors. Was pretty tricky, but we got it done. So the three, basically interior wise, I got the dashes in, the carpets in, and the headliners in. So learning lesson for you guys with the headliner. Don't put your rear windshield in until your headliner goes back in. Man, that was tricky getting it in, but I'm just kind of pan around in here. Kind of hard to see. Got the CO2 bottle kind of just set right there. Still have, you know, the door sill, the sill plates to put back on, door panels. Yeah, lots to go. Still gotta, you know, make some nice cuts with the speaker grills there. Lots to go. Keep you guys updated as I go. Hope you guys enjoyed that walk around. If you have any questions, drop them in and I'll answer them as best as possible. Otherwise, if you haven't already done so, smash that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.